G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Now, one of the most common things that everybody hears is how can we make SharePoint not look like SharePoint, or how can we have some more control over the branding and the look and feel? Well, recently released is now the ability to have section backgrounds and have different gradients and images and things like that as part of our sections so that we can break things up. That's what we're going to take a look at. It is only just in its infancy, so I'm sure things are going to get enhanced as well. But this is just your first look at the first release. We can see here I'm on a SharePoint communication site. Pretty blank at the moment. Few sections, no differentiation between the different sections. Let's change that. Let's hit the edit button. And you can see that on the right-hand side, we've got our vertical section. On the left-hand side, the main content of our page, we've got all of our single column, and we've got a 2-column section here as well. So let's have a look. Let's add a new section. So we'll just add a 1-column section, nothing in it right now. But when we go to the properties of this section, you can see now that we've got a few more options for us. Instead of the standard background colors, we've now got gradients that we can use. We can also choose our overlay color. We'll have a look at that in a minute and see what changes and what that does control. And then we've got a few other images here as well as our gradients. But it's fairly limiting at the moment, but I'm sure things will improve and there'll be hopefully the ability for us to be able to also upload our own images and style our sections that way as well. So let's have a look. We'll add a text web part into this section. There you can see here that we've got our white text on this dark background. Now, if we just have a look again at the section properties and we change our overlay, you can see that the overlay color also changes just to make the readability and visibility of what the content is inside this section a little better. We can change the opacity settings here too, up and down. We can still obviously make these collapsible as well. We'll choose our black and we'll just set it down at this level. Now, what about pre-existing sections? That was a new section. Let's just delete this now. We've got our vertical section on the right-hand side that we've got our Viva dashboard. We've got a few other web parts on the page here too. Let's click inside the section. We've got our properties. Let's have a look and see what changes if we can do that to this as well. So you can see I've just added a gradient. We might change it to a different type of gradient. That looks fairly good and ties in fairly well with our theme. And you can see that we've got different options there, or the same options as we saw before. And you can see that we've got the ability to, and when we slide our overlay opacity up and down, we can control that side of things as well. Let's republish. Let's have a look and see what it looks like live after we've published. So we can see there, we've got our nice looking background gradient section, vertical section in this case. So there we go, a little bit more control around the look and feel, breaking up our page with our section backgrounds now, not just solid colors, but also with a few different gradients as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.